Hello everyone. This is the first video I made in a long time. I'm working on my 6 BT Cummins in my F700 Ford fill truck. I have to replace the fuel pump kill solenoid right here. It's bad. There's the lever. It's got some rust on it. It's kind of hard to get it out of there. I got it laying on the fuel tank over here. It's in bad shape. Plunger's got rust on it. It's because the boot was bad too, but the coils inside of the solenoid were bad. The pull-up coil when you start it was bad. It wouldn't pull the coil up when you crank it, but it would hold when you have it in the run position. I gotta go check the new solenoid now. Yeah, one of the things I did, I checked with the Cummins, Fayliner, and Ford. None of them had this solenoid. And on top of that, Cummins wanted $1,000 for the thing, and there wasn't any in the country, and they're on back order. So I got these off of eBay, and I'm going to have to change this little piece out. And this connector here is wrong. This is for a B series Cummins and a Dodge. So I'll just cut the wires off right here, put new terminals on it, and a new connector. But I'm going to have to slot these out right here a little bit more. It's already slotted, but it won't quite go down in the bracket on the engine. So I ordered this one. This piece here is wrong too. And on top of that, it's way too wide right here, the flange is. But it has the right wire connector on it. So I'm going to have to, and this right here is a little bit longer. The coil housing on here is a little bit longer than this one is. I'm not sure if that's going to make a difference or not. It shouldn't. We'll have to see what happens. Well, I got the connector transferred over. It's the new solenoid that I'm going to make. It's a 3800723 12-volt DC. This is the old one. And to get these male terminals out, you got to use this tool here. It slides over. Yeah, it slides up on it, and you just pull it out. So I got that done. And then I cut these off and got them out of this housing, this plastic connector housing right here. And then to get these out, it's got a tab that you got to push down. Yeah, you see it right there on the left? Push it down with the scrubber. And you just pull it out after you collapse that little thing, that little locking mechanism. And I got me a new male connector to go on the truck because the little lock broke off. It's not one thing, it's 10 others, man. Okay, go ahead and crank it. Okay. Okay. You turn it off. I gotta change the fuel filter and prime the fuel system. Other than that, it should be alright. She's running, but the throttle needs to go a little bit lower. It's hanging up a little bit. Right out again, man.